If your ceiling looks like a coffee spill, you're probably wondering what on earth is going on. So, does a ceiling stain mean your roof is leaking? Well, maybe. Ceiling stains can be caused by several things. A leaky roof is one possibility, especially if the stain is located under the roof line. But it could also be due to plumbing issues, like a leaky pipe or a bathroom above. First, check the location of the stain. If it's close to an exterior wall, it might be a roof problem. If it's near a plumbing fixture, check for leaks there. Don't forget to look at your attic for any obvious signs of water damage. If you're still unsure, call a professional. It's better to be safe than sorry. Remember, catching the problem early could save you a lot of money and stress down the road. Keep an eye on those stains, folks. And don't hesitate to take action. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more handy homeowner tips.